In this In this video, you're going to learn how to start and grow a knowledge business accelerator with Freedom Breakthrough. It shows you how to step by step set up your online business to be successful in 2023. My name is Adriane Mays, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through our eco-affiliate system, as you can see here on cccelevate.com. So it's something near and dear to my heart. I've been growing it for a while, and online business knowledge with a business accelerator is going to help you take the steps that you need to make your own eco-affiliate system successful and to be successful online for 2023. How you can apply them to your own business and the steps on how to get there. So if the purpose of this, by the end of this video, you will have a knowledge of what the Business Accelerator program is, as well as how Freedom Breakthrough can be the online business accelerator program for you. So make sure you watch till the end. So I'll make sure I let you know about the different bonuses we have and, to be involved with me being able to help. So if you're an entrepreneur who's looking to start an online business, if so, Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 and the special bonuses with being with me could be a perfect fit for you. So it's an online course that teaches you work with millionaire mentorship coach every step of the way, click by click, step by step. So everything you need to start a business online to be successful. So the purpose of this YouTube channel, High Ticket Affiliate Marketing, is to help action takers and entrepreneurs who are beginners in the affiliate marketing space to create a 6 or 7 figure business online without any type of products, any type of website, through affiliate marketing. So I'm leveraging my mentorship with the millionaire coaches and the community to learn and show people how to be profitable in high ticket sales and to help entrepreneurs leverage the eco affiliate stack. So if that is something that is interest of you, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the like button, the notification, and follow on the journey. So enough of that, and got all the house stuff out the way. So I want to kind of show you an idea of the groups and the team that I work with here. Daniel Chu introduced me to Freedom Breakthrough. And, you have a wealth of information with Daniel Chu and Nathan Bokers, but you also have access to a whole community with 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge. And you have John Montoya's whole group that will help you through the Freedom Breakthrough steps. So I wrote a blog article on, the importance of having a knowledge accelerator. And, with that blog article, it goes through what is a knowledge business accelerator, gives you an idea of how you can set up your online business using an accelerator. What are the benefits of having an online business accelerator, as well as how does the process work and what type of businesses can actually benefit from a knowledge business accelerator such as Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. So if you're launching an online business or a startup and you want to know how to get from A to B, that's how a knowledge business accelerator will be able to help in regards to your process. So what is a business accelerator? It's an opportunity for entrepreneurs to connect with other mentors and peers of like minds to be able to provide technical advice, just like you would do in the physical space, but now you're doing it in the technology space, utilizing social media. You have Zoom, you have, phone, you have different social media aspects. So that's what a business accelerator is. The accelerator program provides mentorship and connects affiliate marketers who want to start off to be able to grow to the vision of their why. How can a knowledge business accelerator help you set up your online business? Now, a knowledge business accelerator gives you the strategies and tools and steps in order to be successful in regards to marketing in the affiliate space. As I showed you previously, Daniel Chu, my mentor, literally in the month of October made $50,000 per month. He started from his journey in 2020 and actually was starting with Amazon FBA. His story is amazing. But once you become a part of the whole Freedom Breakthrough family with myself, Daniel Chu with the Wealth Warriors, you have the opportunity of just understanding the importance of when you just hard work and effort can end up being on top. So introducing an introduction to this program with a step-by-step process is beneficial and helpful because, again, you have somewhere you can have resources and questions answered. You do have the bonus packages with me as well if you need any additional one-on-one assistance to help guide you throughout the process. And at the end, you're focusing on your why and taking advantage of the $5 trillion that are transacted online annually on the online space and setting yourself up for success. What are the benefits of using a Knowledge Business Accelerator? So again, you have the freedom to work anywhere you want to. I mean, currently, you can be in one location. Literally, if you have your laptop, your phone, you can actually create content and do things anywhere in the world. You have a step-by-step eco-affiliate system that lets you determine your own income. So again, you're not locked into one brand or one location. It's more so a niche or an idea that's actually, impactful to you. So you have an opportunity to promote something and things that you're already doing. So it makes 100% sense in regards to eco-affiliate system as it merges the two worlds together of high-ticket affiliate marketing as you're promoting your high-ticket marketing product, but you also have low-ticket affiliate marketing products as well, because you have to use these products, so why not promote them? So number 3, access to cutting edge training and tools and experts from online business and social media and copywriting in the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 program. Jonathan Montoya actually has 3 other marketers that are top in the game and doing what everyone wants to do, is make millions online. They're showing the Facebook Reels process, the TikTok process, how the strategy works behind the YouTube Reels and the whole YouTube videos. So you have this whole step-by-step process in this Knowledge Business Accelerator with the Freedom Breakthrough, which allows you to take your business to the next level as an entrepreneur. So step-by-steps are helpful, but you may run into a situation where you may have a question. You have a whole community of help where you can utilize Messenger, the free Zoom meetings, as well as Telegram to be able to get the answers that you need right away. So that goes into number 4 with the supportive community of the entrepreneurs who are there to help you succeed into the program and ongoing mentorship once you're a part of the Freedom Breakthrough family, as well as being a part of me. Having the bonuses with me, you have that one-on-one accountability to help you take you to your next step and vision of your why. So how do you actually start and get on board with me as well? So if you're looking here on this YouTube, if you go to Google, you can literally type in https adrianemays.com/FB, and it's here on the screen as well. And you'll come to a page that shows the Freedom Breakthrough Affiliate Blueprint Academy. If you continue to scroll down on that page, if you select here on the yellow bar, it will actually take you to a presentation that Jonathan Montoya, who left his engineering job making $80,000 per year and who set up and is the creator of Freedom Breakthrough, goes through his story in detail and tells you the step-by-step of what the program looks like for you in regards to all the modules. So when you're ready and after you finish watching that process, you'll click on the link here to join the Freedom Breakthrough, and it'll take you into the payment page, which allows you to move forward with payment. So for payment, there is 2 options, either 3 payments of $597 or 1 flat payment of $1497, where you're actually able to accelerate your business and take your Knowledge Business Acceleration online to prepare you for 2023. So for the surprise bonus, what I wanted to share with you is just the growth in itself since I have been with the Freedom Breakthrough process. So for myself, with our YouTube channel, High Ticket Affiliate Marketing, our channel started last week. I was struggling. I was listening to all my mentors. I'm doing putting everything together. But I wasn't able to accelerate my process until I was able to dive in on November the 15th with the Freedom Breakthrough techniques. So for example, one of the surprises I want to show you is how it works. So in regards to the training that's in your Freedom Breakthrough, in the Freedom Breakthrough, Jonathan goes by step, click by click, how to ignite your YouTube channel. So, for example, like I shared with you on the 15th of November, I had 200 subscribers. I currently have 673 subscribers. And the other point here I wanted to show you as well is when you take action and get things done, things happen right away. So, in other words, I've never had this many views on one of my videos, but using Jonathan's techniques, I was able to have 1,100 views on one video. Now, views translate to in regards to income. So how the whole process works, and again with Freedom Breakthrough, it shows you it in regards to step by step on how to go about getting traffic into your business. But it's showing how YouTube and using the YouTube Reels and using TikTok and Instagram and Facebook Reels and how to generate traffic and views in regards to targeting people that are looking for what you're talking about. So there's so much in this program, and just want to kind of give you a sneak peek. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below and let me don't leave a comment, and all the information links are in the description in regards to taking the next step and being in the Freedom Breakthrough process with me. And again, I've been building my eco affiliate stack for months now. I've changed it and fixed it and changed it and fixed it. And cccelevate.com has been the affiliate stack, but I didn't have that last piece to get things going. So now, what I have the goal of doing is being able to grow out CCC Elevate You, update it, as when I have new affiliate marketing deals and things of that nature that can help people in the community be able to start the business resources and small businesses. Take advantage of talking about the brands and things that you love. So, again, thank you for the opportunity to speak with you in regards to Knowledge Business Online Accelerated for 2023 to make sure you're the most profitable business online. And it takes effort and activity on a consistent basis in regards to getting things done for your why. So, again, thank you for your time and being the change in the community.